Om Shri Sai Ram, my most humble, loving, reverential pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Lord Bhagwan Shri Sat Sai Baba. It is very auspicious moment filled with joy when I am sharing a few words about Bhagwan Shri Hanumanji and Hanuman Chalisa, who indeed is beyond description in words. Hanuman Chalisa is in Sundarkand of Sri Ramcharitmanas, written by Goswami Tulsidas ji. And Hanumanji is one of the most important, beloved, reverential character depicted in Ramayana. He is incarnation of Lord Shiva. Shri Hanumanji is the very embodiment of supreme devotion to Lord Shri Ram. He is the very embodiment of supreme knowledge. He is Nishkam, Nirlipta Sevak of Lord Shri Ram, with complete unconditional surrender to feet of the Lord Shri Ram. Hanuman Chalisa is written, rather it is sung, as it is in Chopai form. Let us do our prayers, Aradhana to Bhagavan Hanumanji to bestow his grace to become like him. Hanumanji is not only the embodiment of all four yogas, but beyond and above that, he is one with Lord Shri Ram. He has achieved the oneness. I call it as a Ramamaya Hanuman. 24/7, all the time, all the moments, eternally, he is Ramamaya. So his every word, thoughts and deeds, every action, every service is Ramamaya. It is totally saturated with the love of Bhagavan Shri Ram. He is unparalleled in having supreme love for his beloved Lord Shri Ram. Shri Hanumanji is very embodiment of power and knowledge. Following his footsteps, we can also achieve oneness with our Lord. I'll tell one small story from Ramcharitmanas. When it was decided that a bridge is to be built to cross the ocean, and all the devotees, monkeys, everyone wholeheartedly started participating in it. So Hanumanji, as a leader, sitting at the seashore, and with Ananya Bhakti. There is no duality in Bhagavan Hanumanji's love. With this Ananya Bhakti, he is writing Ram, Ram, Ram on stone and putting it into the ocean. And the stones were floating. Bhagavan Ram was seeing this scene from a distance. He came close to Hanuman. And he said, "What are you doing?" He said, "Lord, you know everything, but we are writing your names on the stone, and stones are floating. We are making the bridge." Bhagavan Ram said, "Is Parabrahma Parameshwar. Let me do it." So Bhagavan took one stone in his hand and he put it in the water, and the stone started sinking down, going down. Bhagavan Ram asked Hanuman, "Hanuman, why is it so? When you are writing my name, the stone is floating. And when I myself was holding the stone with my hands and I put it in water, it went down." What a beautiful reply Hanumanji gave. I will translate into English. हे भगवान, जिसका साथ और जिसका हाथ आप छोड़ दें, वो डूबने से कैसे बच सकता है? Oh Lord, when you leave someone, how he can prevent himself from sinking down? How he can cross the ocean of transmigration? Since then, this proverb, particularly you will see where Ramcharitmanas is sung, is very common. Ram se bada Ram ka naam. And Kabir Das ji also has written beautiful 2 lines. Ram naam jabte raho, jab tak ghat mein praan, kabhi to deen dayal ke bhanak padegi kaan. Which means, keep reciting, keep chanting, keep remembering his name. A time, a moment, a day will come. A situation will happen. An auspicious moment will happen in your life when you will realize him. So constant remembrance of the Lord's name leads you to feeling his presence within and without, leads you to experiencing this entire existence, the world, as his extension. So that non-dual experience, everlasting, comes to you when we are constantly in remembrance of the Lord. And see the reward. Hanumanji is nirlipt, without any desire. Even desire is a very vague word. Just for the sake of Bhagavan. That's all, no other thought. What a reward Hanumanji has given. These 2 lines come in Hanuman Chalisa itself. रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत संभाई, सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे, अस कह श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. After all this service, Sri Ramji says to Hanuman, "Hey Hanuman, I cannot praise you. Words are not enough to praise you. Every pore of my body is singing your praise. See who is telling? Bhagwan Shri Ram. To whom? Shri Hanuman. Every pore of my body is singing praise of you. You are like my brother Bharat, who always thinks and immersed in my remembrance. Saying this, the Lord of Lords, Parabrahma Parameshwar Shri Ram embraced Shri Hanuman. The best of best, better than best reward anyone can imagine from the Lord. Normally devotees, even if they get Pad Namaskar, Bhagwan lotus feet, that is a great achievement. But here the Lord is embracing the devotee. So this is about Shri Hanumanji. Let us all, Shri Satyamurti ji is taking Hanuman Chalisa. It's what I should say, the real meaning, purport, and in great detail. So let us get immersed in it. Shri Hanumanji's supreme, unparalleled love for Shri Ram, devotion for Shri Ram, his every pore, his being was immersed, saturated with the love of Lord Shri Ram. Unparalleled example. If you are able to follow a little bit, it will be a great sadhana for us. With this, I conclude. May Bhagwan's grace and blessings be always there with you. Jai Sai Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Hanuman.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारि। बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जस, जो दायक फल चारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिकै, सुमिरौं पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहुँ लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महा जगवंदन।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज संवारे।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई। सहस बदन तुमरो जस गावें, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावें। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाँ ते, कवि कोविद कही सके कहाँ ते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्र योजन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माही, जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम द्वारे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
आपन तेज संभारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे।
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम।
अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, तुम्हारे भजन राम को भावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई।
जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम।
और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई, जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई।
जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम।
जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीशा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि तेरा, कीजनाथ हृदय मह डेरा, कीजय नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुर